In this video, I'm going to show you how to diagnose any suction issues you might have with your Dyson. So the first place we'll look is if we take this off. Now, this pipe here is the first place where it pulls air through the system. So what you'll be able to do is turn the vacuum cleaner on, and if there's suction there, then at least you know that the motor's pulling through air. So that's the first place to check. The next place is to check this drum. I would look at there's a filter at the top here. So if we just pull that, there's a filter inside there. Just make sure that that's relatively clean. You might want to give that a wash. They recommend, I think, every 3 months, but it will go a lot longer. So check that one. Then there's another filter inside here. I would pop that out and check that filter. So it's pulling the air through the back of this and then out of that side. So that's going to go there next. So what you can do here is potentially look down that pipe to see if there's any obstructions. This piping here actually comes off. So if you pull away at that, you can dismantle this. You can kind of see that's pulling away there. You can dismantle this, see if there's anything that's got stuck. This will be a good way to get it back out. Same down here. So this pipe work goes all the way along into the head of the appliance. So you can pull this off as well if there was something stuck down there. You could use a really cheap endoscope. So these are about £5 or less on AliExpress. I'll link to a review of this so that you can take a look if you're interested. But you could pop that down there. It's got a light on it, so you can really see if anything's got jammed in there. Okay, so those are the main places. Obviously check around the head, see if there's anything obstructing the flow of air down there. Now, the very last place, which is the problem that we had with ours, is around the back. It was preventing any suction from this pipe. So let's take the cable off and I'll just show you what the problem was. Okay, now that's off the base. And we still didn't have hardly any suction at all from the end of this. Now the problem was, if I just put that back slightly, go down here. Now there's a flap down at the bottom here. So this flap had actually got stuck in the open position like that. And that's the thing that is feeding the airflow up that main pipe. So it was kind of stuck a bit like that. So there was no suction at all. So just watch for that, maybe give it a bit of an oil if it is not flipping back into place when you pull that nozzle out. So it should be like at the moment, that won't work. So just get that pushed back into place, and you can see there's a rubber seal around this, and that will fix that airflow problem. Hopefully this has helped. Try to keep it quick. Let me know if you've got any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.